Okay, so another force problem here. In this case, we're looking at it in the vertical direction. But nevertheless, free body diagram, always a good start. And we have the people that we're dealing with here. And just to keep things simple, I'll draw the people as a little box here. If you want to be more artistic, feel free. Now, these people are holding on to a rope. So we have the rope. So we could say that that's the force from the helicopter. So the helicopter is pulling them up. And we're told the helicopter is pulling them up with a force of 1,200 newtons. Okay. What else do we know? We know that the gravity pulls them down. So another way they could have said that in the question is their combined weight is the same as the force of gravity pulling them down, right? So we could say the combined weight is 1,000 newtons downward. Okay, so there's our forces involved. And so what we could say is the net force is equal to, and first of all, before we get too much further, let's decide what's positive. Let's say up is positive. Quite traditional, upwards positive. Okay, and so upwards being positive means that 1,200 will be positive, and the gravitational force will be negative because it's pulling downward. And so the net force, 1,200 minus 1,000, 200 newtons. So there's our net force. Again, we do need a direction whenever we're asked for a vector solution, as in forces. And so we look at it, and we ended up with a positive. And we look back, and indeed, we did say that up was positive. So that makes it nice and easy. Up. And we have a magnitude, we have a direction, we're done.